DES theorem side angle side theorem. Two triangles are similar if two pair of sides are proportional and the included angles are congruent. Example: side AB is corresponding side of side ED and equal or proportional to side AS that is corresponding side of side DF. Therefore, angle A is congruent to angle D. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF.